Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Says Vagina Pump Premium. So let's get started. So this is the Says Pump Premium itself. Now this is slightly different to the Says Vagina Pump Basic. If you want even more sensitivity and stimulation, then you should go for the Vagina Pump from the Says collection. You simply place the cup over your vagina and press the button on the side just here to create a vacuum. And because of the increased blood flow, the vagina will swell and feel more sensitive. The material on the vagina cup just here is soft and smooth for a comfortable feel during use, and because it's transparent you can see everything that's going on, which makes it even more exciting. Now for the pump itself, you require 3 AA batteries, and batteries are not included. Once you pop the batteries in, gently pop the compartment top back in like so. The button on the side, which says on and off, creates the vacuum. Press once and the vacuum will begin. On the other side is the air release button. Simply press this when you need to release. To turn off completely, press once more and it's now off. Also included is a Says user manual to help you with your experience and if you have any questions. We'd recommend to apply a small amount of water-based lubricant to the outside of this smooth material for a comfortable experience. When using this pump, we would recommend to clean after every use, and for this we'd recommend toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that's the Says Vagina Pump Premium. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.